Hey guys, I wanted to review these Vita Dose Glow collagen patches. I was using these vitamin D skin patches, or I do use these vitamin D skin patches a lot, and I really feel like they help. So I decided to get these collagen patches, and they look very similar. It's a different brand, but they look very similar to the vitamin D patches that I have and love. You are just supposed to place them on a relatively hair-free area of your body. So I like to put them right here because they're out of the way and not visible, but they stay put there. I'm hopeful that these will work as well as the vitamin D patches that I was using again because they seem very similar. It's kind of hard to read the ingredients, but these have in them biotin, which is good for your skin, hair, and nails, and pro-retinol and hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, coenzyme Q10, and mulberry extract. So they do have quite a few things that are helpful to skin, hair, nails, and yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing my results with them. You're supposed to put it on and then leave it on for at least 8 hours. I hope that helps you know if it's something you want to buy.